I fail miserably or
I was like, let me just think of something outside the box.
Hello everyone, I am Ananya and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you have already read from the title, and I am so excited for this challenge because my YouTuber friends are going to decide what I eat for legit 24 hours. Isn't that awesome? I know. I saw Midu taking up this challenge and I was like, I have to do it for sure. So then I contacted my YouTuber friends. I chose 4 of my YouTuber friends, but I wanted to include as much as I can because there are many, but still I couldn't because एक दिन में तो 3 टाइम का ही खाना होता है. Then also I choose 4. This has to be a fun challenge, and if you guys like this video, share this video and comment so that I can do a part 2 if you really like to watch this kind of videos. और इसमें मैं और सारे YouTubers को आपके सामने ले आ सकती हूँ. And as we all are budding YouTubers, so I don't have that chance to say that you already know this face because I know they all are new to, especially to my audiences. So you can also have a look on their channels. These girls are doing great, I must say. So you have to check their channels out. Obviously, I'll be linking all their channels and Instagram handles in my description box. Make sure to check that out. And for today's video, I have categorized it into breakfast, lunch, then I have some snack time, and then dinner. Please do watch this whole video. It is going to be a very fun challenge. I am so very excited and nervous at the same time. पता नहीं वो लोग क्या choose करने वाले हैं. So let's jump into the video. So for breakfast, I have my YouTuber friend Kasturi Pradhan. So for breakfast, let's see what Kasturi has in store for me.
Hello to everyone on Ananya's channel. This is Kasturi and today I'm here to choose what she's gonna have for her breakfast. I actually came across Ananya during the lockdown itself and she was so sweet. She DM'd me about something and that's how we started talking. And I for one really enjoy her content, and I also like that her content is so versatile and the way she does not limit herself to like a specific type of content that takes a lot of hard work and dedication, and that is really amazing to see. Especially those funny little videos that she makes from time to time. I really enjoy those. And yeah, I really hope to see you in real soon someday. So initially I thought I would choose something crazy like chicken momos or mac and cheese for breakfast because I thought that would be fun and different. But then I thought since it is my first time on her channel, let me not be so cruel to her, and so I ended up on banana smoothie and scrambled eggs. That is very easy to make and also it is tasty and healthy at the same time. So I hope you enjoy your breakfast, Ananya, and I hope to see this video very soon.
And yes, you have to check her channel out because she makes some amazing challenges which I personally love to watch. I especially loved her spicy food challenge, and I like her personality because she is an independent woman on her own and she runs an online business, like an online store of her own that is called as Urban Mojo. She makes some very cool nail extensions videos. She makes that at home, so you have to check her channel. So as she mentioned, I have to prepare some scrambled eggs and banana smoothie. Actually, I'm down with a cold infection in my throat, but still I will make because as I have took the challenge, I will complete it with very enthusiasm as I am. Let's go and head into the kitchen to make our scrambled eggs and banana smoothie. So my platter is ready, guys. Here I have some awesome banana smoothie. Thanks for the recommendation, Kasturi. And here are some scrambled eggs. As far I could make, I made this. So now I'm all ready to have my appetite breakfast for today, and very healthy for sure, I must say. I have garnished a little bit. So my breakfast is now done and I'll be meeting you all at lunch. Hey guys, so it's time for me to have my lunch and I'll be asking my recommendation from Isha Nanade. So let's see what Isha has in store for me.
Hi Ananya, I hope you're doing awesome. Firstly, thank you so much for letting me be a part of your video. I'm just super excited. So I really love your content, you know, whatever you make on Instagram, your reels, even your YouTube channel. I love your vlogs, I love your skincare, your fashion videos. I think they're just so entertaining. So keep making such videos and keep entertaining all of us. And yeah, I just hope we get to meet in real life sometime soon, because we haven't met, and I just know whatever of whatever little I've spoken to you, I just feel like you're a very sweet person. So I hope we meet soon. Anyway, so coming to this video, you asked me to give you a challenge of, you know, what you're supposed to eat for lunch, right? So I thought of giving you something slightly hatke. I was like, you know, let me just think of something outside the box. So I thought of giving you something called as Maggie sandwich. Now we all have eaten Maggie, we all have eaten sandwich, लेकिन कभी भी दोनों को साथ में नहीं खाया. तो मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना इसको ऐसे कुछ तो हटके दे दूँ. So you basically have to make a sandwich stuffed with Maggie, like cooked Maggie. So I really want to know how it's gonna taste. I don't have the guts to try something like this, so why don't you tell me how it tastes? So all the best for your challenge, and do let me know how this out of the box dish is gonna taste. Bye.
As you can see, I'm already in the kitchen, and Isha, what a challenge, I must say, huh? It's like a very deadly combination. I haven't had this sandwich Maggie till date, but I'm pretty excited to try this, and let's see the process which goes behind in the making of this sandwich Maggie. I fail miserably, or I pass like okay, average. So let's see. Guys, please make sure to watch her YouTube video. Link is in the description box, and make sure to check her out on Insta as well. And I, on a personal level, feel her so pretty. I adore her so much. I have told it to her like multiple times. She must know by this time. And the thing is, she makes vlogs. She does pretty good skincare and makeup. Then she's blessed with such a beautiful voice. You have to hear one or two covers which she has uploaded on her channel as well. So don't waste your time and go check her out. And thanks for so sweet intro for this video, like things which you spoke about me, and I feel you are a genuine and very warm person as well. I feel our vibes go very well. I hope to meet you in person as well very soon, so keeping my fingers crossed. As you can see, our Maggie is ready here, and we have this toasted sandwiches. Now I will be putting this Maggie in this sandwich. I'm taking a whole good amount, like, oh, sorry if it seems gross, but so this sandwich Maggie, and I clearly have took the challenge very seriously, as I have put this whole Maggie over the sandwich also. It's also in between, but still, Isha, you have to give me some extra marks for this. So let's do a taste test first. So as Isha had asked me for my review, let's taste it. I can say this, it's not bad, it's not that good, it's in between. So this is all what I'm having for my lunch, and I will have this all, and then I'll be meeting you at the snack time. Ta-da! So hey guys, it's the evening time, and I have to eat snacks, and for that I have chosen my friend YouTuber Soumya, and I will play the clip here and there.
Hi Ananya, and I'm really excited to be recommending you a snack food. But before that, let me tell you, I was introduced to Ananya not through YouTube but through Instagram. and I have already told her that I really like her feed. That उसका entire feed is so aesthetically pleasing and so well coordinated. So you all should definitely check out her Insta feed. And apart from that, I have also watched some of her vlogs, and she is really fun and entertaining, guys. So do check out her vlogs as well. And now coming to the snack recommendation, well, I am going to be giving you two options. I would like you to try some Korean dish, and I think that is going to be really new and exciting for you as well. And in case you don't find any Korean option, then you can definitely try out something Italian. And
She has given me two options, like I can go for the Italian dish and I can go for the Korean ones. Hey guys, so as we are here in this cafe, the cafe's name is Box, and I have my very dear sister with me. She's fabulous. Hey everyone! So बता दो हमने कितने पापड़ बेले आज यहाँ तक पहुँचने
We
में?
had lots of struggles.
Like really. So first of all, we went at a very beautiful cafe. That was, the view was really awesome. I
But it's
so
closed.
desperately wanted to share with you, but it's closed. Our bad. And the second one where we went, that was also closed. It's such a coincidence, right? So finally we managed to come at this cafe. Now I have ordered what?
White sauce
White sauce pasta, and for her I have ordered some chicken momos. She will be having those. I can't have, but let's see how it goes. The view is very awesome, and the vibe which is sharing is very good. Such very cool songs playing in the background, and we are enjoying very much. Really?
So be with us and we will come back with you all.
Let me show you around. Here is Kadbashri, and
Look at the view.
look at the view. It's really awesome and beautiful. Here am I. Yeah. See the view. I have met her through Instagram, and she's like a very cool and decent personality. I like her content really well, and please do check her YouTube channel and Instagram handle as well. I'll be linking both in the description box. But sorry, please bear with me. I can't speak any louder than this. I'm on the top of my voice, but the background noise is... White sauce pasta, momos, and some garlic breads. So guys, our food is here, and this is my white sauce pasta and the momos. We have some garlic breads over here, and I can't wait. It's very lip smacking dish. And Soumya, this is for you. This drink this now, and I'll give you a taste test. So let's begin. Hey guys, so I'm back. I have washed my face, removed my makeup, and now it's like I need to see. It's 9:24, as you can see. So it's time for me to prepare my dinner, and for this last part I have my dearest friend Shilpi there with me. Let's see what Shilpi has in store for me for dinner.
Hi Anu. First of all, I'm really missing you a lot. एंड हॉस्टल में एक साथ खाना बनाना और खाना खाना, स्पेशली हॉस्टल का फूड, कैंटीन का फूड और हमारे यूनिवर्सिटी फूड के बारे में पिचिंग करना, इस सबको बहुत मिस कर रही हूँ. एंड आई एम रियली होपिंग दैट कि सब कुछ जल्दी खुल जाए, रीओपन हो यूनिवर्सिटी और हम मिले. ओके, एनीवे, थैंक यू फॉर collaborating with me, having me in your video. So it's dinner time, और तुझे मैं क्या ही बोलूँ डिनर में खाने के लिए, क्या ही चैलेंज दूँ. okay. इतना मतलब पूरा दिन इतना मेहनत किया खाना बनाने में, खाने में, तो अभी थोड़ा चिल कर. सो मैं तुझे दूंगी सिंपल सा चीज़ जो हम फ्रिक्वेंटली हॉस्टल में, तो मतलब फ्रिक्वेंटली हम लोग बनाते थे और खाते थे. और अभी विंटर टाइम है, सो सब्जियां वेजिस तो बहुत अच्छे मिल जाएंगे. तो आई एम गिविंग यू द चैलेंज ऑफ मेकिंग एंड हैविंग सब्जी वाला जो खिचड़ी होता है वो, और उसके साथ अकॉर्डिंग टू मी द डेडली कॉम्बिनेशन विद खिचड़ी एंड स्वीट एंड सार टोमेटो चटनी। आई थिंक ये आसामीज और बंगाली का, मतलब बंगालीज लोगों का एक डेडली कॉम्बिनेशन है खाने के मामले में। एंड उसके साथ यू कैन हैव रोस्टेड पापड़। पूरा दिन इतना खा लिया तो रात में तो थोड़ा डाइजेशन का प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है। सो दैट्स इट फॉर डिनर। क्या क्या बोला मैंने? हाँ, सब्जी वाला खिचड़ी, देन टोमेटो चटनी एंड रोस्टेड पापड़। ओके, सो गुड नाइट एंड रियली होपिंग कि हम जल्द ही मिले। बाय, लव यू।
As Shilpi has mentioned, I am so eagerly waiting for this all to get over and so that we can reunite, but that's on another level. But for this challenge, I need to wrap it up by some yummy, and as the season says it all, I will love to prepare khichdi. I'm craving for it, and then some tomato chutney and papas. So let's go and prepare dinner. You have to check her channel out as she makes some very like go-to dance moves, and she has many dance covers and songs uploaded on her channel. She's like a creative package altogether. You have to check her out. So that's it. So guys, my dinner platter is ready. As per your farmaish Shilpi, I made this khichdi. Then there's this pap and some very yummy-licious टमाटर की मीठी और तीखी chutney. Wow, this is like a wholesome platter for this winter. So I'll be having this full platter right now. It's too good. Done with my dinner and that was pretty fulfilling, I must say. और अगर आप अभी तक मेरी बकवास सुन के यहाँ पे रुक ही गए हो, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell कि जब मैं फिर वीडियो डालूँ और आपके पास जल्द से जल्द नोटिफिकेशन चला जाए, and that you will not late for that. So please do that. That will mean the whole lot to me. Please share, comment on this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, till then, take care. Bye.